to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in.
I should take this time to say welcome back to the garage. So as you can see, I already started. Got the new engine. So yeah, I'm gonna get it put in today and get it moving, but not hooked up and installed. There's a lot of process to go, and I have to break it in, so it's gonna be a long one. Let's get into it.
Sometimes I just wanna be a hater. Gotta wash down the top 40s with a chaser. Your voice starts feeling like a waiter, scraping my mind against a cheese grater. Before you go, sir, you have to sign a waiver. That's alright, I'm aware of the danger. You wanna get away, you better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 No filter, I got no filter.
Alright, so I got it in the bike. Still gotta get the rear end and motor mounts done. But yeah, so a lot of Herculean effort. I will continue to put it together, and then once it's all back together to the point where I'm done for the day, I'll show you what it looks like, wrap it up, and then we'll start getting back into the video a little bit more, or sorry, into more videos. So yeah, not super proud of the way I put it back in, because like, I don't know, I'll go over it, but like the top bolts are a little taller than the ones that I had put into the frame. It barely fit, and I had to like put in, oh, it was a nightmare. So scuffed up the powder coat a little bit on the frame, but not that big a deal. Just hope I didn't get nothing in the motor, because forgot to cover the intake manifold and exhaust, so, but I think it's alright. My wife tells me I'm just being paranoid. But yeah, we get everything else on the bike. I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll close it out.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? Supposed to feel. How's it supposed to feel? wanna say my name, but they holding back.
Alright, so that's going to do it for the video. Really short today. Basically just getting the engine in, and I'm sure I'll show some footage of me struggling. I don't know how much I'll show, but yeah, so went a little rough. You know, hopefully nothing got in the engine. I didn't just waste $8,000, but that's okay. We'll see. I don't know. It's not okay if I ruin $8,000. My wife will kill me, but you know, it's part of the journey. So but yeah, I got it in. So you saw me working on it. Basically I just got the bottom motor mounts in, kind of put everything back on it so I could roll it around. The foot controls, brakes, everything put it back on. So it's good for me to start working on. The next video what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start really going through hooking up all the wiring, measuring out the hoses, getting everything ready to go, and then I'll have it so where it's complete, all the electrical works, and then the video after that will be me starting it, taking on its, doing its first series of break-ins, right? So that's probably how I do it, some combination of that, but that's kind of the next step. So with that, please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think of the engine. If you are curious where I got the engine work done, I got it done at Relic Iron here in North Austin. So I will pull up the information so I don't, you know, mess it up. His name is Johnny. He does good work. He's a, you know, like chopper guy through and through. So he's really good to work with, really easy, pretty timely. I think I gave him the motor April, got it back August. I think some of that had to do with me traveling a lot for work, so I wasn't even able to get it until like today, right? So but yeah, not bad. So if you need an old motorcycle, he had some pan heads, shovel heads, etc. all there. So yeah, go give him a shout out if you need it and you're in the Austin area, or even if you're not. He had some bikes from people outside of the, you know, greater Texas Triangle, Dallas, Houston, San Antonio area. So, you know, but yeah, if you like what you see or you want to see more, please like, comment, subscribe. I know it's a short one, not much, but I will see you in the next one once we start getting all of this together. So, till then.